Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video we will create another program using AngularJS. So the program that uses ng-repeat directive that will display the list of names of the person in ascending and descending order. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Hands-on activity number 5. Write a program that uses ng-repeat directive that will display the list of names of person in ascending and descending order. Use the following information below. Samuel Pomperada, age 18. Gracin Pepito, 19. Gelia Pepito, 26. Julianna Rae Pomperada, 17. Excuse me. Gavin Pepito, 13. So we have here the solution. We have several comments here. HTML title, sorting names using ng-repeat in AngularJS. Style, we have a simple cascading style sheet here. Body, font family Arial, font size 22, font weight bold. And then make sure that we have included the Angular main.js in our local directory in our computer, or else the code will not work. Angular main.js. So we are not using CDN or content delivery network online, so our application will work even it is offline. Script, we have here val app Angular module. So Angular order by app controller, order by control, function scope. So $scope users, and then we enumerate the names of our users, no? Samuel Pomperada, 18. Gracin Pepito, 19. Gelia Pepito, age 26. Julianna Rae Pomperada, age 17. And Gavin Pepito, 13. And then we close here, and then we have script. Header 3, sorting of names using ng-repeat in AngularJS. Body, ng app, Angular order by app. Dev, ng controller order by control. We have your paragraph tag, order by name in ascending order. ng-repeat users in users. Tag here, order by name, it will display. And then we have also order name by descending order. It's true. ng-repeat user in users order by name, true. The link here, order link user expression that name. Ordered list, close it with the div tag body and HTML. As I said earlier, don't worry because I will put the link in the video description where you can download our complete source code, no, of this tutorial video for today. Let us go to our browser. So we have here the output, sorting of names using ng-repeat in AngularJS. So order by name in ascending order, letter G up to J, from Gavin to Julianna. Order by descending order, Julianna to Gavin. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on sorting of names using ng-repeat in AngularJS. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.